Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to install iPhone camera on Android phone. So right now I'll show you how you can easily install iPhone-like camera on your Android device. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for iCamera, and this is the app we are going to use, iCamera iOS 17 camera style. So all you have to need just install this iCamera app on your Android phone. Once the app installed, go ahead and in your app library here you will see the iPhone camera. It looks like 100% iPhone camera app. Just open the iPhone camera app, tap on, you have to allow camera access. So select here while using the app and allow. And as you can see, I've successfully installed iPhone camera on my Android phone. Here we can see same functions like iPhone. From here you will be able to enable or disable live photo, and here we can see video mode and photo mode. Let's take a photo, and here we can see the photo quality. So this is how we can easily get iPhone camera on any Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.